Today, we're talking about something deeply personal and incredibly important: how to bring real warmth, closeness, and satisfaction back into your intimate life after years of marriage or a long relationship. Have you ever felt that the old spark has quietly faded? You still love your partner and want to make them happy, but something feels different. You keep wondering where things went off track. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many couples experience this slow drift, and the biggest reason is rarely big arguments. It's the gradual loss of understanding, patience, and harmony in the bedroom. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Amelia here, your andrology specialist, and welcome back to Wellness Protocol. The good news is that it's never too late to rebuild that beautiful connection. Today, I'm sharing simple, practical, and respectful techniques that can bring back the love, closeness, and deep satisfaction you once had. Let's begin with the most important foundation: consent and communication. Many men assume they already know what feels good to their partner, but the truth is every woman is different, and her preferences can change over time. The most powerful thing you can do is simply ask and observe. A gentle question like, "Does this feel good?" Or, "Would you like it softer or a little different?" shows care and builds trust instantly. When she feels emotionally safe and respected, her body responds naturally and beautifully. Now let's talk about the actual techniques. The biggest mistake most men make is going straight to the most sensitive area with sudden strong pressure. That area is extremely delicate and packed with thousands of nerve endings. Direct, hard, or fast touch right away can feel overwhelming or even uncomfortable, and it can instantly break the mood. Here are two gentle, highly effective approaches. Technique 1. Circle to center. Start from the outside and slowly work your way inward. Begin with light, soft, circular movements around the collarbone, upper chest, and sides of the body. Use the pads of your fingers and keep the pressure very gentle, almost like you're brushing her skin with a feather. As you notice her breathing becoming deeper and her body relaxing, gradually move inward. Only apply light pressure to the center when she feels ready. Slow and steady truly wins here. Technique 2. Star movement. Spread your fingers lightly and move from the outer areas towards the center in a soft, star-shaped pattern. Imagine music, you're gently tracing a star on her skin. Keep your hand relaxed, no tightness or gripping. If you notice her breathing deepen or she starts to pull you closer, you're on the right track. This technique creates beautiful anticipation and connection. Pressure is more important than most men realize. Many believe that more pressure equals more pleasure, but that is a common myth. Pinching or gripping tightly can actually cause discomfort. Instead, use what I call the cradle, not pinch method. Use your whole hand as if you're supporting something delicate. Press lightly, then release. Press, then release. This rhythm creates a positive, pleasurable sensation that naturally builds. Think of intensity like a dimmer switch. Never suddenly increase speed or pressure. Build it slowly and gradually. Every woman's sensitivity is different. Some prefer very soft touch, while others enjoy a little more firmness. The best way to know is to watch her body language, the speed of her breathing, small movements, and soft sounds. These are all clear signals telling you whether you're moving in the right direction. Another important point is, don't stay focused on just one spot the entire time. The body is a beautiful network. If you keep repeating the same movements in the same place, sensation can actually decrease. Mix it up. Move to the neck, shoulders, back, and sides. Then return to the center. Create a rhythm like music with different beats. This keeps excitement alive and prevents the experience from becoming repetitive. A practical tip: if the skin feels dry, a small amount of body safe, unscented moisturizer can help reduce friction and make the touch smoother and more comfortable. Always ask for her consent before using anything. Finally, one of the most important parts that many couples completely overlook is aftercare. The moment intimacy ends, many men roll over, grab their phone, or get up right away. Those few minutes afterwards are just as important as the act itself. Stay with her. Give her light, loving touch. Take deep breaths together. Say something sweet or simply be present in comfortable silence. Many women have told me that this moment, feeling that their partner isn't just there to finish but truly wants to stay connected, is the most special and meaningful part. This is real emotional intimacy. Remember, intimacy is not a performance or something you have to get right every time. It's about understanding, patience, presence, and genuine care. When you slow down, pay attention, and lead with respect and love, those moments can bring incredible new energy and closeness back into your relationship. If this video gave you practical, heartfelt ways to reconnect with your partner and rebuild that beautiful intimacy, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which health issue, sexual issue, or relationship issue are you or your partner currently facing. I read every single comment, and it helps me create videos that truly address what you need. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your partner or anyone who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future doctor-approved advice on men's health, intimacy, and relationships. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Amelia. Take care of each other, stay present, stay respectful, and remember, the best intimacy always comes from patience, care, and real connection. I'll see you in the next video.